Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. In this video we'll be cloning the Spotify landing page with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. No framework involved. That's what we'll be doing. So let's just get to it. Yeah, so let me move to the code editor so we can start. Yeah, so I created a folder, blank code. I created an index.html file, styles.js, styles.css and main.js. There's nothing inside. Then also in that folder I have an images folder that will contain the SVG and a photo. You can get the images from the GitHub repository that will be provided in the description below. So for the beginning, let's just looking at this, let's just write the HTML structure for this landing page, then we'll move forward to styling it. Okay, so let's just move to our code editor, run the HTML structure, write the HTML structure for this landing page, and we'll style it. Okay, so let's begin. Let me hide this. Okay, so let's begin. Yeah. Okay, let me change this. Let me change the title to wow. Okay, welcome to Spotify or something. Welcome to Spotify. Welcome to Spotify. Okay, I'll go ahead and paste font awesome cd, and we can get it online. So okay, let me add my style link css. Okay, what's the name of the style? Yeah, style.css. Style.css. Okay, let me also add my JavaScript file. Script main.js. Okay, so we are good. So this is just the basic structure for the HTML file. So we'll move on to adding all the necessary elements in the landing page. Then after we'll style it. So let's start with the nav bar. Let's start with the nav bar. Okay, let's start with the nav bar. So let's create nav. Okay, so we'll be having there are two items in the nav bar. That's the logo and the list items. So let's start with the logo. Let's put the logo and the heading in, let's say, in one div. Okay, so okay, div id equals to logo. Okay, so this is where we'll be using the font awesome. So fa-2x or something. Yeah, that's it. That's for the font awesome. Yeah, that's the logo H3. Okay, Spotify. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, this is it. Let's reload. Okay, the logo is loading. It's loading. Yeah, so let's just continue with the structure for the navbar, and we'll move on. As you can see the logo and the Spotify, what we just did. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's add the list item. So start the navbar, then we'll style it later. Okay, so so someone ordered list ll dash 6 or something. Okay, ll dash 6. Okay, so it's premium support downloads. Okay, maybe a small sign, then sign up. Sign up. Yep, sign up and log in. Oh, I couldn't spell sign up. Okay, so let's save it and see. In the beginning the structure is bad, so no styling. So we'll add up our styling later. So let's look at the second one. What's next? So let's look at the play million songs. So that one too will be another section on its own. So let's just create all these sections, then we'll style it later. Let's just create all these sections, then we'll style it later. Okay, so okay, section. Okay, Yeah, let's give it an idea of um I guess Spotify free or something. Idea of guess Spotify free. Um, guess Spotify free. Okay, so let me look at it. Okay, so another div contain the image. Okay, the SVG image. Images. SVG. Another image will contain the phone shot. So okay, short. Yeah. Okay, let's give this one to ID. Okay. Uh, free image container. Free image container. Let's give that one. Let's save it and see. Okay. Oh shit. This. Okay. In the beginning, it's bad. But it's okay. It's bad, but we'll just move on. We'll start it later. So let's finish with the section. Yeah. Let's finish with this section. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh, okay. What's okay? H1 playing million of songs and podcasts for free. Okay, so A. Okay, get Spotify. There's another link. So get Spotify free. Yeah. Okay. So let's give this also an ID. Okay, so okay, shit. Play million songs. That's the ID. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this section. Let's check it out. Okay, I didn't save it. Okay, so let's check it out. Yeah, play million songs. So we'll start it and we'll make it responsive. Okay, so what's next? Let's check what's next. Think why Spotify. So let's look at the why Spotify. Okay. So with this why Spotify will be a list containing a lot of divs, and if divs, so okay, something like a circle container, this will be a container on its own. Every circle, a container on its own, a circle container. Then we'll start that one. Okay, so let's move to the code and see and do that. Okay, let's write the structure. Okay, so section why Spotify. Okay, section why Spotify. So H1 why Spotify. Okay, so okay, I'll give it a main. So this is the main. So all the circle containers will go inside this main. So so this whole section will be styled in the style will be display flex, and so and this main also will be display flex by a direction with a different direction. So the first one will be row and the second one, the main direction will be column. Yeah. Okay, so okay, let's go. Okay, div. Okay, since this container will have it will be a class. Most of their styling will be the same. We'll give it a class of circle main container or something. So let's do one. Let's write one circle. Give it the class of circle main container. Okay, another div. Okay, so circle SVG. Okay, I'm looking at this, so maybe. Okay, so yeah, Lisa's class FA for the circle font awesome class for the circle FA play dash circle FA dash for X. Yeah. Let me check. Oh, okay, so let's play your, let's make that one, play your favorites. Let's make that one on A3. So A3 and play your favorites MP. Okay, listen to the songs. Let me check. Listen to the songs you love and BR. Listen to the and discover new music and postcards and discover new music and podcasts. Yeah. Okay, so so I'll go ahead and copy the rest of the circles from the already down code and paste it, so we don't have to type everything. Let me just copy it and paste it, so as you can see they will have the same stuff. And let's save it and see. Okay, so why Spotify? This is it. So we'll start it later, so everything is loaded. So this so the why Spotify, or this will be a section on its own. So what's next? Let's check what next. Okay, so it's free. This is a simple section, so let's just move to that one. Let's code that it's free. Okay, so after that, okay, it's free, so that's okay. So no section, let's use a section. Okay, so h1, just an h1 spawn. Okay, it is free. I can put this for free. Oh, it's free. Okay, what's there? No credits card required. So let's see how it looks. It looks horrible, so let's just check it out. Okay, I'm still here from our other screen. Also, it's free, no credits card required. So then you're just trying to write all the structure, then after, then we'll style it. We'll move on to the styling. So let's look ahead. This also, they got a question. So the next section, as you can see, after the it's free, it got a section. This would be like the why Spotify section, because it will be a section with a subsection. Each subsection will contain something like a container with the same class. So we'll use a class for this question, for this div or something. So let's just move to the HTML and do that. Okay, so got a question. Let me write a comment here. Got a question. Also section. Give it an ID. ID goes to got question. Okay. So let's look at how we're doing. So let's say h1. Okay, let's I think it's h1 got questions. Great questions. Yo man. So after the question, so every question will be a div on its own. Let's say with class, so we'll give it a class, so you could be able to star one, so it will star it and it will affect all the containers. So let's say, okay, for example, okay, this will be the main container. So class, let's give it a class of question card. Yeah, question card. Oh, inside the class. Okay, so let me see. So let me see. You see, so this question card will have another sub div, but in the beginning this will be hidden or something. So when you click on it, this will change. This is the reason why we need the JavaScript. When you click here to change the class on this to show it. Yeah. So let's just add the div, but we'll add the classes later, and we'll style it later and add the JavaScript later. Yeah. So God's question. Okay. Yes, we got question. So let's make it a div of, okay, class. Let's give it a class because it will affect everything. Okay, question card heading. Yeah, question card heading is good. Question card heading, so contain the main. So history or something. Yeah. Okay, the first one is, oh sorry, let me clear let me check, how do I create a playlist? That's the first question. A playlist. So how do I create a playlist? So that's the first question. Yeah. Okay, so the question card will have two divs. That will be the question card heading and the question to display. That will have the question show. Then we'll toggle the classes to from question show to, let's say, question hide or something. Okay, so let's have another div. We'll give it a class of, goes to question show, but we will be able to toggle the class. Yeah, we'll be able to toggle the class. Okay. Yep. Okay, let me check again. Confirm. Okay, playlists are a great way to save collections of music, either your own or someone. Okay, so let's do this for now. After I'll just, yeah. Okay, let me playlists are a great way to save collections of music, either for your own listening, or to share, either for your own listening or to share. Okay, so let's see another P. Okay, C is to create one. Okay, to create one. Okay, so OL or the layer or something. Okay, li. Okay, so let me just use m8 to populate it. It's like what's the list? 1 2 3 4. So li times 4. Oh, sorry. Li times 4. Okay, so tap your library. Okay, tap. Okay, this bold. Let's just, it's bold here. The crate is bold, so strong. So let's tap crate. Okay, so give your playlist the next playlist a name. Give your playlist a name, and okay, start adding songs. Okay, hey, songs. Okay, that, hey, how do you spell songs? Yeah, songs. And we will help you along. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, question card. Okay, so each question will be a question card, and in the question card we'll be having a question card heading and a question show. We'll be having another class like question hide or something, I don't know. One with the styling we just do the question hide. So then we'll use the JavaScript to toggle between these two classes, question show and question hide. So question show will show how the styling of the question show will show the answers to the question, and the question hide will hide the answers to the questions. Like, I think that's how they are doing it. Or, yeah, something, maybe they are using a framework or something, but something like this. So yeah, the style will be question show, and with one that is toggle, the style will be question hide. So we just toggle between two classes. Okay, so okay, let me go ahead and copy the rest of the question cards, and let me just paste it because I to save time. Yeah, yeah. Let me just go ahead and copy the rest of it. Yeah, let me just paste it. Yeah, to save time. Let's see how it looks here. So as you can see, every question has its answer. So every question there's an answer. So how do I create a playlist? Playlists are a great way to save. How do I activate a data saver? Is it also, yeah, you can just, yeah, so I just copied, so copied everything and make it a list. Copy the question, history, and a list. Okay, so just this one with just paragraph, two paragraphs. Yeah, from podcast you can see from the code here. There are just two paragraphs. Yeah. So let's move to the next section. So the next section is ready. Let's play. Okay, let's do write the structure, then we'll move on to style it. Okay, so okay, let's comment. Okay, it's ready. Okay, section. Actually, it's one. Ready. Okay, ready. Let's play. Let's play. Then we have another A, which goes nowhere. Get Spotify free. Okay. Okay, so the footer. We are left with the footer. Let's check and see. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me see how we're gonna start it. Okay, so the footer, which we are having two main divs, we'll give it a two main divs or something. It's a section on its own. The footer is a section of its own. So let's say two main divs. Yeah, and the first div will be having another two divs in it. So we just, for example, let's see, the footer, let's give it two main divs. So this whole section, the Spotify and the company and the communities, will be one section on its own under the footer section, and this two will be a section on its own. Then we'll go on to start this and this also. Okay, so let's go and write the structure. Yeah, so let's use the footer tag. Wait, is it footer or something? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the footer will have a main section. So this will be the main section will contain the communities, the for artists, the links to that, and another section, let's say, let's call it the footer tail or something, or tail footer, that will contain the links to the legal privacy centers and privacy policies and cookies. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. Okay, let's, wow, where is my cursor? Okay, so the footer, so main, okay, ID main foot. Okay, let's give it an idea of main foot. Okay. Okay, let's see, ID main foot. Okay, so section, let's create a section. Okay, as I said, id equals to, okay, footer links. And this section will have all the links, the hidden links. Okay, so I'm coming. id equal, sorry. Okay, that's the head and footer logo. So footer logo, let's put this in a div. So sorry, okay, why shit. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I don't know, this corresponding closing tag. So the footer, so something like this should be the footer logo or something. Yeah, let's give it the footer logo or something. Footer logo, yeah. So let me check the font, also the class for the Spotify. Yeah, okay, let me check it up. So I have it written here, the classes, I have it written here. So that's what I'm saying. So FA spot, yeah, okay, FA Spotify, so FA dash 2x, that's what I'm going to increase the size to 2x. Yeah, have another, let's see what the Spotify will be. H3 Spotify, okay. Yeah, so we just go on and create a div, and every div will have the links. Let's say, for example, let's say where is it? So this, the company section, this will be a div on its own, this will be a div on its own, this will also be a div on its own. Yeah, all this in the main in a section div inside the main. You get it? So this will be another div inside, is another section of a div inside the main. So this socials, this will be the socials section. This will be the something like the footer links section, but all will be encapsulated inside a main div. That will be the main footer. So the footer will be something like a display of flags, and this one display of flags with direction of a row or something, row that just redirection or something, flex direction or something. Yeah, so let's just move on. Yeah. Okay, so wait, so div, okay, so div is just UL or something. So UL li times 4 or something. Okay, okay, I'm coming. So the every other digs, so shit, let me start again. Yo, li times 4 or something. Yeah, so the first company will be company about jobs for the record or something. Let me check for the record. Yeah, for the record. Yeah, okay, so this will be a div. Yeah, so yeah, so we'll go ahead and yes, the next one will be another div with the communities for artists and stuff. So yeah, okay, so let me just copy it so save time. Yeah, then we'll move to the social footer. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, as I said, the main section, the main footer will have two sections. That's the footer links and the socials, footer socials. So which I just pasted the photo socials. Yeah, we can just, so this is the structure. So you can just quickly copy and paste using the image just to save time. So I have to do that. So let me code the section for the social link. So another section. Okay, so give that this section an ID of social photo or something, Okay, this will just a span of span times 3 times, oh sorry, I'll give it span times 3. You can make it I or something. Yeah, just yep. So let's just give it a class. Yeah, well, let me check I have it here. Let me just check the font awesome for Instagram, FAB or something, FA dash Instagram, FA dash 3x. Okay, the FA3 is like increase the size. Okay, let me just copy and paste this here. So yeah, I will just change it. Yeah, Instagram for now. Instagram, I think the next one is Twitter, the same thing. Twitter. The next one is Facebook. Yeah, so we are done with the main section. So we'll go on with the footer, the tail footer. The tail footer will contain, let me check, the tail footer will contain the legal, privacy, the privacy policy cookie. So this will be a section, and also this will be the year, and the country will be also be another section on its own. Yeah, so the footer tail will also contain 2 sections, just like the footer, the main footer or something. Yeah, so kind of 2 divs or something. That's a section indeed, just a UL or something. So section is okay. It goes to, I'll give it an idea of tail footer or something. hey, Charlie, my naming is bad. yo, UL. So LI time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. Okay, so legal, privacy center, then privacy, privacy policy or something. Then let me check cookies and about ads. Okay, this is another section on its own. So then another one will contain okay, they will contain the country, then the year, the current year or something. That will just hand code it. We don't use any JavaScript. Yeah, so spawn. Okay, there's a globe. Okay. Let me check the class for globe font awesome. So class. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. I don't have this written. Oh, okay. Okay, FA dash globe. Yeah. So just hand code the country you are watching this from. I'm coding here from Ghana. Yeah, so spawn. If you reach here, don't forget to the year will hand code it 2021. Spotify. That's by AB. Okay, so let's give this a class. How should you name foot look? Because okay, foot location or something. Yeah, let's save it. Yeah, let's just check it. Okay, there's the foot look. Okay, so this is the structure. So this is the structure of our HTML. We'll go ahead and style it. Yeah, we'll go ahead and style it. Yeah, we'll move to the CSS, then we'll style it. So let's move to our CSS file. Okay, so I've added, let me check if I've added the CSS file to in there. Okay, so yeah, by adding some research styles to our page. Okay, so margin 0, padding 0, okay, box sizing border box. Okay, so let's also add the overflow. Okay, overflow X, so hidden or something, hidden, so there won't be horizontal scrolls, but there will be vertical scrolls. So overflow Y or something, overflow Y scroll or something. Okay, let's save it. Okay, then also, okay, how about A, something like some utility styles. Okay, test decoration. Okay, none. Okay, so now let's see how it will appear. Okay, so there are no margin, no listen. So now let's move on to the nav. Let's start the nav. Sorry. Okay, the nav. Let's give it a display of flex. Flex direction rule. Justify content. Let it be. Let's space evenly. So color maybe FF. Let's see how it looks. Aish. Okay. I'm coming. Yo. Let me cancel this. It's just overflow in general. Overflow hidden in the beginning. Let's check. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so background color, background RGBA, so 0.7 is okay. Position fix. Okay, let's give it a height 50 pixel. Oh, okay, width first. Okay, width of 100, view width or something. Let's see if we can see something. Okay, still bad, but we'll fix it in a minute. When we get to the distance, the images, when we get to the when we get to the play millions of songs, we'll fix the size of the images. Yeah, we'll fix it. Okay, so as you can see, we have our logo and Spotify, the list item premium. You can see it here, premium support, but it's kind of not clear or something. Okay, so let's start the logo or something, the logo container. Yeah. Okay, so it's the logo more than top 10 pixels. So the cursor pointer should, the logo itself is something like it's a link to kind of a home page or something, a refresh page or a sign up page or something. But in this case, it's just a normal history or something. Yeah. Okay, so give the history a inline blog or something. Okay, so I think I just have to comment that for it to be visible, so that the styling will be convenient or something, the images or something. I'm coming, hold on. But you can leave yours like that. I'm coming. Okay, so after then, when you get there, let me just comment it, these two. Yeah, it's kind of convenient now. It's kind of okay to go on with the styling, so we'll just leave it here. So when we get to the images, we'll style it here. Yeah, we'll uncomment it, and so we can see it. Sure. Yeah, so let's move to the styling. Okay, so nav UL kind of coming, margin left, something like that. Let me see. Okay, margin left. Okay, Okay, list style type. No, something like that. Yeah, that should be with the LL, but you can just give it on the parent one. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so now view L. Let's start the LI first. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Uh, height. Let me comment this. And I think, okay, let me uncomment this. I didn't want to give the nav a height, so that I'll give the children a pattern that would determine the height of the nav, the parents nav. But I don't know, it's kind of not convenient to. Maybe that's the best practice, I think. Yeah, because that's the best practice. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, it's still okay. Okay, Li. Let's start the Li. Yeah. Display inline block. That one is cool. Let's see. Yeah. Inline block. So we give it a margin top and a margin left or something like that. Yeah. So margin top. Something like 25 pixels. Okay, let's check how it will look with 25 pixels. Yeah, so give it another margin left so for some spacing around. So margin left something like 8 pixels. Okay, then so cursor is also pointer. Cursor pointer. Let me check. So cursor pointer. Okay, so Li on hover. Okay, so let me just copy this. We are adding the hover functionality to the Li. So hover. Let's just on hover we just change the color to CC. CC. I think that's the same color being used here. Yeah, on hover. Yeah, you see the color changes. There's a slight change in the color. Yeah, I don't know. So I think it's CC or something like that. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's give the UL itself. Okay. The parent itself a margin left or something like so. Okay, I'm coming. Margin left. On a pixel or something. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So I'll go on and comment the images so we could start that one too. Yeah, I'll go on and comment the images so we could start that one. So now let's look at it with the uncomment images. So let's look at how it is. Yeah. Okay. So the image is in a container called get Spotify free. That's the ID we gave, something like that. Yeah, get Spotify free or something. Spotify free. That's the ID. So something like okay, let's the background color. Okay, let's give it the background color. Okay, something like background. Background. You see, so it kind of there's a way. You see, for me, my understanding, you see, the color of this play music, let's say this container play millions of songs and podcasts for free. It has two colors, kind of. So in this case, I'll be using the linear gradient. This one to give it two colors. So let's go on. So the background will be linear gradient. I think I have the colors written here. So let me just FA 00A9, then A1 00D6, Yeah, I think without a height it won't show. Um, okay, to cover everything, we just have to give it a limit height or something. So let's give it a height of, let's say, height of, okay, 25 rem or something. Okay, so you get it. So it's kind of okay now. Yeah, the height is kind of okay now. Um, okay, since okay, let's make the parent container. This is the parent container display of flex or something. Display of and specify content. Space around. Mm, yeah. Um. Okay. So as you can see here too, um, you see, with this there are lots of circles. This circles here. So with that, to me, my understand what I'll be doing here is I'll use the before and after to generate just two circles. I don't know, to generate just two circles and position them on at the background, and position them at the background so that you could get this item, the play music, and the bottom and this picture. Yeah, so the circles will be the after and the before will be used to create these circles, this shape, the background shape. So I don't know, paste or something. I could paste it something. Okay, so I'll like get spotty um get Spotify free. That's the name after. So you have to give it a content of so that it should show. Okay, okay, the circle also has two colors, you see. So the colors has two colors, so we'll still use the linear gradient for the circle's color, background color. So just give it a linear gradient or something. um okay, so background, oh sorry, background. Okay, linear gradient. Okay, then I have this also written down. Okay, what's okay, linear after color, so linear gradient. So E66465, then hash 9198 E5. Okay, that's the color. So to generate the circle, we'll give it a width and a height. Width of, okay, let's give it 250 pixels or something. It's okay. Then height should be the same, 250. Okay, then border radius should be 50%. So that to be a circle, 50%. Okay, let's see if you could see it. Okay, this is it. But you see, in this case we just have to give it an the opacity so that it will be so, we just have to reduce the opacity. Yeah, so let's give an opacity of 0.3 or something. Opacity 0.3. So yeah, so it's kind of okay. Yeah. Yeah, so z index of kind of 0 or something. It should be 0. So just in case, let me just give it the style. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm coming. Let me just add, okay, I just remember something. Okay, HTML or overflow y, overflow y, something like that. Overflow y scroll, because there you can scroll horizontally but you can't scroll vertically. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, it will be sticky too. Yeah, you can, yeah, this is it. It could be sticky too. So let's move on to the after. So we add another circle. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this, okay, so let's add the after, before get Spotify. Let's find free dash before on to content will be background linear gradients. I think I also have the colors written kind of and 19 just basically this color, and the other one A900D2 9198 E5, then A900D2. Okay, that one, this one was opacity. Okay, let's give it a width of down to 250. Hey, 250 pixels, height of 250 pixels. Okay, let's save it and see. Okay, this is it. Okay, but let's give it a border radius. Let's give it a border radius of 50% border, so that it will be a circle. Border radius 50%. Okay, 50%. So in this case it will be a circle. Okay, opacity, also opacity as we did with the other one. Opacity 0.4. Okay, 0.3 is okay, like the other one. I'll give it 0.3. let's check. Okay, yeah, okay, let's make the top. Okay, top of one, let's give it a top on 50 pixels. Let's see. Hey, it's not working or something. Did I save it? Okay, left or something like 150. Okay, let's see how it will look here. Wow, coming negative or something. Okay, should be the position. So this, okay, I'm coming. Let's hide this for now. I don't know why it's not working or something. Position absolute or something. When the position is absolute, to okay, I have to give it a z in there so that it will be 0 or something. Yeah. Okay, let's leave it. Let's just leave it and move on, since okay, we can check with the Chrome. Let me just comment it and just move on. We'll come back to it later. Yeah. Okay, let's edit the image container and see what we'll get. Let's go on with the image container. Let me check what the style. Free image container. That's the ID name. Okay, free image container. Okay, width, let's give it a width of 500 pixels, height of 400 pixels. So yeah. Yeah. Let me save it and see. Okay. About solid. Okay, it's beginning to look nice. The code is trying now. The UI is beginning to look nice, and it's okay. What again? Okay, probably we'll give it a Z in this or something, but let's move to the SVG. Let's start the SVG or something. the SVG. We give one thing a class of SVG. Okay, that's the phone. 12 RAM. 12 RAM. Height 32 also RAM. Yeah, margin top or something. Margin top, let's check 20 pixels. Let's check. Okay, 20 pixels is okay. 20 pixels is okay. 20 pixels is okay. Okay, so this is black. I'm coming. I think I also copied the code. To make the SVG white. I think let me check. Color white. It won't work. I saw something online. Like when I was coding, I saw something online, so I wrote it down. You see, it doesn't work. What about background? Like if you have any solution, something like that. So to make the SVG content itself with the color of background. Okay, but background. So yeah, I think I copied the code to change the colors of the SVG. To change the colors of the, I had a call. I'll pick up later. To change the colors of the SVG, so I'll go ahead and copy it and paste it. It uses the filter property. Yeah, invert. So there's it. So let's see. Yeah, so it changes the color of the SVG. Yeah, so it's now white, just like this one. It's okay. It's not the same thing, but it's at least it's similar. Yeah, at least it's similar. Yeah, at least it's similar. So let's move on. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the code and start the image itself, the phone shot or something. It was, I think the ID is phone shot. Let's check phone shot or something. Phone shot. This one is SVG. This one is phone shot. So the phone shot. A weight of 168 or something. I think I give it the weight of 168. Let me see. Okay, with the height, that should be the height. Okay, the position should be absolute first, so it's position absolute. Okay, let's give it a 270 pixels. 70 pixels. It's a height of 270 pixels. Oh, it's still not showing. Okay, top of 150 pixel. Let's see. Left 357 pixel. Hey, where is this thing? Hey. Where is this thing? Okay. Coming. Okay, there's it. Okay, coming. Okay, coming. 10 or something. Ooh, wow, coming. Let me try and fix this. Comment this and see. Ooh, wow. Why is this? Phone shots. I don't even know what's wrong. Okay, so I'll pause the video and try and fix it and see. Yeah. One, so it was from the container itself. Yeah. So I just added the justify content to space around on the main container, as you can see. But if your one is not working, so you can just pause it out and copy the code, get the main code. It's all about understanding it. Yeah. So let's see. I think okay, so it's still not okay, but like I'll try. Okay, let's give it a left. Okay, let's increase the left value. Okay, something like 359 or something is okay. Let's see if it will face or something. Okay, still can make it 62 pixels. So oh, small. 63 is okay. Let's see. Oh, 64. I'm just increasing it, just try and error. It's all about trying error. Lastly, fine, let me make it 65. I don't know why. Okay, 65 is okay. Okay, so okay, maybe you probably be reducing it. Yeah. Well, okay, so kind of what's next? The play million songs or something. Play ID. Give it an idea of play million songs or something. Play million song. Yeah, that's the container. So color already should be color something of FFF. That was the first thing. Where is it? This the play million songs. You see the color just changed, so it's at the top. Let's give it a top let's give it a kind of margin top of 120, so it will be down margin top 120 pixels, and let's see its position. Okay, so this is, as you can see, margin top 120 pixels. So let's see its position. Yeah, margin top 120 pixels. So that's the position. Okay. Okay, so let's increase the font size to font size. Okay, so font size. Okay, kind of 28 is okay. 28 is okay. 28. Okay, let's make it 30. Let's make the font size 30 pixels. Oh, okay. Left 357 57 the beginning. Come. Okay. Okay, margin left. I think margin left minus 200, so that's all should be there. Okay, I think this is okay. Margin left 200. So I reduce the left of the font short. Yeah, probably you have to make it responsive later, but you just this for kind of for desktop view or something. Yeah, my screen size. Okay, so once again the link. Let's start it, the A tag. Let's start it. Okay, so play million songs. Play million song A. Okay, so color is black or something. So 0000. That's the first thing I do. Okay, so coming. Color is black. Yeah. Okay, so I'll add a padding, then a background. So padding and background. Padding and background. So maybe I'll change the font size. Padding. Some of 8 pixels. So that background. So FFF. Background FFF. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, background FFF. Border radius. Radius 20 pixels. So let's reduce the font size or something. It's too big. Font size 15 pixels. Okay, let's make it 18. 18 is good. Okay, so it's quite okay now. Yeah, it's quite okay, not bad. Yeah, you can scroll. Not bad. The position is fixed. Yeah, that's the position, fixed or something. It's fixed. We made it fixed here. Or is it? So nav position fixed. So it's stick at that position bar. So and the color is also RGBA. So so what's next? Let's see what's next. So why Spotify? So the why Spotify. Okay, we could add. I'm coming. Yeah, yeah. We could add a Hoover for the A. And just change the color. Yeah, we could add a Hoover for the A and just change the color. Okay. So play million song A Hoover and just change the color. Color DDD. So let's move on to the why Spotify. Why Spotify? Why Spotify? I hope this is clear. So let's see the ID we gave. Okay, so why Spotify? Copy it. Let's start that one. So as I said, so this will have a display of flex, yeah, and display of and a flex direction of column, and so it contains the why Spotify hit 3 and another circle something card or something, and that one will also have a flex direction of row, yeah, like so. The main container is column, and the second child of the container is row. That's the second child are these circles. Yeah, the save mobile data. They are all the second child. So the main container will have two children. That's a container that will contain the Y Spotify. Another container that will contain these 4 circles. Yeah, and the container containing these 4 circles will have a flex direction of row. So let's implement that and see. Okay, let's move to the. Okay, so this will have a display of flex or something. Display of flex direction column. Column. Okay. Let's see. So nothing will happen here since it's already in column. Something so why Spotify H1 or something. Let's start the H1. Spotify H1. Yeah. Okay, let's align it to center. Yeah, okay, let's see if we could increase the font size and give it a margin or something. Okay, I didn't save that one, so let me save. Let's see if it's okay. Maybe we could increase the font size. Let's increase the font size. Okay, so font size, okay, 30 pixels. The font size 30 pixels. Is the color black here? Yeah. Okay, margin. Let's give it a margin. So margin 20 pixels. Okay, let's see how it will look. Okay. So let's tackle the second. I will give it a tag of main that will encapsulate all the circles and their various description or something. Yeah. Okay, so let's start it. We give it that's the Y Spotify. You can see here it's a Y spot. The section is the main parent, and each children are the H1 and the main tag, and the section has a style of display of flags, and the main will contain all the circles, and the circles are all divs. So the main will have a style of flex also with a direction of row. Yeah, with a direction of row. Okay. Okay, so why Spotify main or something. Okay, display flex. Flex direction row. Okay, as you can see, yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. So as soon as I give it the flex direction of row, see the orientation change or something. Yeah, so okay, so this justify content space around. Yeah, okay, so let's I want it to be kind of in the middle, so I'll kind of give it a max width. Yeah, for that one, for that container. So that's the parents of the children. So max width or something. Let's give it a max width. Max width. Okay. Okay, so that's the width of. Okay, and margin to be in the center. Margin auto. I think margin auto. Margin auto will solve the problem. Let's check. Yeah, margin auto. Yeah, so now it's kind of okay. So now let's style the circle. So it's a class. All of them are having the circle container or something. Circle main container. So let's style that one. That will affect all the children of the main. Okay, let's start that one. Okay, let's start that one. Okay, circle main container. Let's see, what should we give? Okay, I think there's another one. The SVG. Okay, this is the main container and the SVG. Oh, okay. So let's make it in the middle. Kind of margin. Let's give it a margin. So margin left of 50 pixels. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, wait. I'm coming. Let me see if that was the spelling. Circle main container. No, I don't trust myself. Yeah. Okay, so kind of the SVG itself, circle SVG, yeah, that will contain the circle itself. Yeah, let's start that one. Yeah. Okay, it's a class, so it will affect all the children. Okay, give the width of 150 pixels, height of also 150. Okay, the background. Okay, the circle. Okay, kind of this is the circle main container. That's the background. Yeah, this is the circle main container. The color, so give it a background that will contain with a linear gradient, so it's having two colors, kind of background BG or something, linear gradient or something, linear grade. I think that's it's using the now CMOS coming 918E9 or something. Okay, I think same as this too. Let me see. Okay, let me just use this one. Come on, just use this and see. Okay, so let me see. Okay, you see, so this is it. But in this case, we have to give it a border radius. I have to make it a circle. I have to make it a circle. So give it a border radius of 50%. Okay, I'm coming. Let me change. Think something like yeah. Border radius of 50. Sorry, border radius right now. 50%. So now let's check how it is. Okay, so it's kind of 50%. Okay, kind of, let's make it a position of relative, so the other one we position absolute. Each children will be absolute relative to it. Yeah, I think that's what needed, that's all needed. So the children, yeah, circle, that's the span, will be absolute. Yeah, will be absolute. Yeah, okay. Coming span or some position absolute. Yeah, color FFF, margin, I think 45 pixels. Let me save it and let's see. Yeah, that's it. It's okay now. It's okay. So let's start the H3 or something. H3. Let's start the H3. There's this. That's kind of the heading or something. The play made easy. The H3 summer place. What make it yours or something? Let's start that one. So that's H3. Okay. So I think we'll use the parent. That's the only H3. That's H3. H3. Okay. Font size of let's read 20 pixels. Okay, kind of give it a margin top and bottom because there should be some space. Like you want some space here. There's some space here, as you can see. So margin top and bottom. Margin top and bottom. Yeah, I think 15 or something is okay. So you just make margin. Okay, top and bottom. Is it top? I don't. Top is top left something. Let me just use the margin top 15. Let me just use it. I think it's we go from it's clockwise, top left, the top left, bottom right. Yeah. Okay, margin bottom. Okay, margin bottom. Another 15. Yeah. Okay. So let me see. Let's see. Okay, the space is okay. Okay, now the logo, the side, there's what's the name? Yeah, the pictures or something. The SVGs are now loading from font awesome. Yeah, so let's move on. Okay, so okay, I think let me check P from here. Let's see. Okay, the color is light, so we can just let's start the P and reduce the font size. So the the description will help you make the playlist or something. Let's start it and make it add a description or something. So let's see the P. No, color I think it's 9. Kind of a variation of gray or something. Font size 12 pixels. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, this okay. Look, it's looking good. It's okay. Yeah. Well, what are we left with? So it's free, no credit card required. Let's move on to that. Let's start on it's free, no credit card required. Yeah. Okay. It's free. Okay. It's free. Okay, so I think it's free. So give it a weight of 100 view width. So that's the main parent container height of 50 width or something. 50 view height. Okay, for now BG red or something. Let's see how it will look. Yeah. Okay, so the color it's also kind of similar to this, but so we use a linear gradient for the background. So let's move on. Yeah, I think linear gradient. Just okay, I don't know which one I use. Okay. Yeah. Let me just use this one for it. Yeah, let me just use this color, copy that one and save it. Yo, that's Siri for you. Yo, yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of closer to the one. So let's just give a margin top so it will come down small. Margin top, margin top, margin top 15 pixel. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of down. There's spacing between it and the other section. So yeah. So I think yeah. So the H1, let's make it center. It's free H1. H1. I think it's center. This align center. It's this align center. Yeah. So you change the color and you make it like center itself. Change the color, add a font size or something. Okay, so make it center margin. Okay, this top and bottom or something. Oh, 0. Okay, that this top bottom, yeah. 400. Top and left. Yeah. So color, let's add the color of FFF. And see. Yeah. And let's increase the font size or something. 45 pixel. Okay. Okay, let's look at here. Yeah, it's free. Okay, that's free. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of okay. So so let's move to the got a question section. So this kind of where there are some small JavaScript will be applied, but let's in the beginning let's just start it and see how it will look. Yeah, then we'll add the JavaScript. It won't be anything special, it's nothing special. Yeah, so we'll move to that. Okay, so got a question. Okay, so I think I'll move to the style. Okay, I think it's here. Got a question, yeah. So I'll move to the style sheet. Oh, so that's the ID. Got question. It's question. Okay, as I said, display flex, flex direction column, like the other one, flex direction column. Specify content space around. Okay, so I think I explained it while we were making this one. So let me use the main channel. So as I said, so I'm coming. There will be two containers. There will be so the God's question is the parent container. It will have two children. That's the H1 and the question container, and the question container will contain all these questions. So this is a question container. Yeah, this is also another one. Yeah, so this and this, the whole of the question is the children of the God's question container. So that's why we are giving it a flex. Yeah, I think it's what's the title? Not a question container or something. Question card or something that will contain all the questions. Yeah, question card will contain all the questions. Yeah. So let's start every question card. Okay. Let's start the H1 first. I think there's an H1 there. Yeah, the heading or something. This align center is always center. I'm coming. Let's look at the main one. Okay, margin. I'll give it a margin. I think I should make. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. think I should come give it a margin there. Margin, I was watching a movie or something. Margin 20 pixels, font size of 45, so that there will be a space. The spacing was bad. The spacing was bad, yeah, so it's okay. Yeah. 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 So let's move on to the question card or something. Question card. Every question box there is a question card. So kind of margin or two. It's okay. Let's see how it will look here. Yeah. So it's in the middle. It was in the middle. Yeah. So now we start for every question card. We start it here. So this is a question card. This is also a question card. So we'll move on to starting the question card heading and the question show. Yeah, and question hide. Okay, so let's start the question card heading. As I was saying, so there was a class question. We didn't add a class question hide, but yeah, we'll create a class in the style sheet called question hide. That will be one of the classes we'll be toggling with the question show. Yeah. So I'm coming. So what's the class? Question card heading. That's the heading for every question card. Yeah. So background. Okay. Yo. Well, let me see something. Okay. Okay, there's it. Okay, let's give it a padding or something. So padding. 35 pixels. Okay. 35. I think it's a 35. So as you can see, okay, that's the 35. Padding is 35. Okay, so let's give it a border. Yeah, border. Okay, so I think you have to give it a width so it will have a uniform width. Yeah, we have to give it a width. So this one, you see, this has a different width. This has a so we have to give it a width so the width will be the same. Okay, so width will be 800 pixels. So all of them, their width will be the same for the question heading or something. So they will all have the same width. So currently all have the same width. Yeah. Give it a width 800 pixels. The pattern. Okay, let's give it a border 0.1 or something. 0.2 pixels. Solid CC or something. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, so it kind of, yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. After giving it the border, it's kind of look okay now. The UI looks okay now. Yeah, we're on the right track. So if you're here, if you're up to here, still don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So it also means a lot to me. Yeah, so okay, so I think because I didn't add the arrow bar, so let's give it the whole container. It's a container itself, like a cursor of pointer. So cursor of pointer, yeah, so that at least when you know that you can click on it, yeah, to shoot. When you click on it, to toggle the class, the hide. So this currently is show, so you can give it hide and toggle. We use JavaScript to toggle that classes. Okay, so let's create our hide class or something. Hide class. So question hide. The question hide. I think question hide. I think I'll just go ahead and add the JavaScript and then just explain what you are doing. Yeah. And so now let's start a question show or something. Question show. So after we just add the JavaScript and just go ahead and okay. Yeah. Come on, let me see something. Yeah, question show. Well, so display flag or something. flex direction column. Okay, I'm looking at it here, so column, yeah. Again, I'm coming. Let me see. So when you click on it, this is the question show. Okay, it has a, okay. Alright, so let's give it a border. Left, right, and bottom. We won't give it a border top because, okay, let's just give it a border. Okay, border 0.1 solid CCC. Okay, so let's see how our own will be. Ish. So okay, okay, pixel. I didn't add a pixel. Yeah. Okay, so I'll get, okay, border top none. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yep. So now let's start it. Let's start a paragraph for each question show P. So we are just starting the question show. P. Okay. I think color is, okay, I think I wrote it down. 69. Well, it's 69. Yo, margin 5 pixel. Okay, let's save it and see. Okay, this is the P. So it's like a fade of gray or something, light gray or something. Okay. Okay, let's make it small. I think it's small. Yeah, it's smaller. So let's just reduce the font size. Let's reduce the font size. Of, let's give it a 13 pixel. Yeah. Okay, so I think there's a less show. So I think we use OL or something. Okay, margin 10 pixels or something. It's okay. Okay, OL. Okay, but in this case, kind of it's okay. Another margin left. Okay, let's give it a margin left. 35 pixels. Let's see how it will look here. Okay, so it's kind of okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just I'll go ahead and add the JavaScript so that, yeah, I'm coming. So this is the main JS. I think I just should just here and just come and paste it here or something like that. Yeah. Okay, so what you are doing here, you are getting all the, you see the question card heading, the question card. So there, I'm coming. This is a question card heading. 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 So we are adding an event listener to each all of them. So we just have to access them with JavaScript and store them in a variable or something like that. So let me just store them in a variable. So question head. So question head that for each. So it's an array that for each x, for each variable. If on click, then we add an event listener. So on click. So when the event we add on click, we add an event event listener. So when a user click on it, we add the its next siblings. We toggle between the class of question show and question height. I think it will work here. You see. so it's working. We are toggling between the two classes. Yeah, so this is the code. Yeah, I think, yeah, let's go ahead. So it works now. Let's hide it. Yeah, I think in the beginning it should even be question hide or something in the beginning, but in this case it's question show. Hide, the question hide is the question hide. In the beginning that should be this. I think in the beginning the question should be hide. Yeah, 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 I think that should be. Let's reload and see. Yeah, okay, so next one is, okay, the same thing. Ready, let's play. Ready, let's play. I think this one I don't have to I don't have to just add the circles at the background or something. Yeah, maybe it's an even image or something, who knows. Okay, so yeah, what's the name? What is the question card? Let me see. What's the ID? I'm looking for the ID. Okay, it's ready. Ready. Okay. Okay, ready. Okay. I think the ID. Let me move to the style. Okay. Ready. Yeah. Where is it? Okay. I think. Let me check it out. Okay, this is it. This is already container. Give it a width of. Let's give it a width and a height first. Then we'll start the 8 children inside. Like, okay, so ready. It should be 100 view width or something. Height. I think 50. 50 view height. 50 view height. Okay. Okay, so I'm coming. Yeah, so let's give it a background and just kind of, let's give it a background and see. BG Riders or something like that. Okay, so let's give it a margin top or something. Margin top 20 pixels. So we change the background. So now let's change the background. Let's change the background to a linear gradient or something. Okay, linear gradient. Okay, so FA00A9, comma, I don't use LA100D6. Okay. Yeah, so now let's style its contents. Yeah, now let's style its content. But I think ready H1, the H1 is an H1 and an A tag. So color is FFF. Just align center. Okay, let's increase the font size. The 65 pixels. Okay, so let's give it a margin top and bottom. I'll just use the margin top and bottom. Top 0 pixels, margin bottom 30 pixels. Yeah, I think, yeah. So let's start the link. Ready, the A. Okay, A. Color. Background. FFF. Okay, padding. We use the padding 10 pixels. Okay, so if the margin left, then border radius. So border radius think this is border radius 65 pixels is okay. Let's see how it will look. Okay, so let's give it a margin left or something. Hey, margin left. Okay, I think auto. I don't know if auto should. Oh, let's give it something. 700 pixels or something. 7,000. Why? This will be out of the view or something. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah. So now we move to the almighty footer. Footer. Okay, so let's start the footer. Okay, footer. Okay, the width. Okay, the width is always 100 view width or something. View width, and the height. Let's make the height 50 VH or something. And BG 000. Okay, color every color. Let's see. I think we're almost done. Yeah, we're almost done. So this is the footer. Yeah, this is the footer. Okay, almost done. Okay, let's give it a display of flex. Yeah, as I said, this is the parent display flex, and it will have two children, and the children, one will be this called okay, flex that one will have a flex direction of row, and one will have a flex. You all have a flex direction of row, flex direction column. So the parent is having a flex direction of column. Okay, so okay, I'm coming. Did I save it? Okay, so but the main footer is one of the children. I think that will have a flex direction of row. Okay, so main foot. I think that's the style. That's the ID we give it. Yeah, main foot. Yeah, main foot. Yeah. Okay, that one on display. Flex direction row. Let's see how it will look. Yeah. So the main foot will have another two children. So the first children will have a flex direction also. Flex direction row. Okay. Well, okay. Flex direction. Justify content space evenly. Okay. Okay, let's give it a margin bottom or something. So margin bottom 65 pixels is okay. Let's see how it will look. Yeah, so these are the links. So they just start the links again, the footer links or something. Okay, footer links. Let's look at it. Yeah, so this is the footer link. So actually we said, as I said, the footer will contain two children, and the first children, that's the male footer, will also contain two children, and the first children will have a display of row. Yeah, so for every children, let's start a div. So this kind of column here is a children of the footer links or something. This also children. So let's start the link. Let's start that one. I think when I'm editing this video, I'll kind of draw a diagram and it's kind of explain the whole layout itself. Yeah, and kind of I'll use Illustrator too and just paste it here. Hopefully I don't forget. Okay, I think footer links there for every link or every div. Okay, let's give it a margin top of 50 pixels, margin left 400 pixels. Let's see, so it will be able to come down small. Yeah, so also you see we also start the footer social. I think that's what we named it, footer social. We also start to bring it down small, so it will tally with it will tally with the footer links, every child of the footer links. Yeah, okay, Okay. Okay, so every footer link is the div. I think div is a list, ULLI. So let's start that one. Yeah. Mm, okay. No. I'm coming. I saw something. You see, you see. Um, just look at the footer. You see the heading. The heading is the color is different from the other one. So let's just start this heading. Yeah. Let's just start the company, communities, and useful links. Let's start that one first. I think we use the first of type footer links. Let's start that one. Mm, footer links ULLI. Okay, first of type. Yeah. So this we are targeting for every footer links. We are targeting the ULLI, the first element of the LI. Yeah, and we'll give it a okay, I think color of CC, sorry, color of gray or something. Yeah, let's see the color. Let me look at here. This is what you're doing. So this is the color. So you see the color change. Let's give it a color. Key. I'm coming. I don't know if it's clickable or something. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. This the cursor has to be pointer because they are links. Yeah, but I didn't add the a links, but so we'll make that one the cursor on set or something. Cursor on set. We will reduce the font size. Since font size, let's give it a 10 pixels and font weight. Kind of make it bolder or something. Yeah, but the li the footer links li will have okay, so I'm coming. Footer links ULLI. I think that one will have a cursor of pointer. Yeah. So the heading. So this sounds like the heading on set, but this one is pointer. On set, pointer. Okay, so okay, I think we'll give it small spacing. So margin button is 15 pixels or something. Okay, let's change the color on hover or something. Yeah. Okay, let me just copy this, paste it here, then add the hover property. Hover through the selector, color, I think green. Oh, I think it's yellow green or something, yellowish green. Yeah. Okay, since it's affecting this, so we just add another property for this, the first of type. Yeah. Okay, on hover, first of type. Yeah, hover, so that hover hover color remains CC now, or CC, so it won't affect that one. The change of color won't affect it, but to affect the rest. Okay, so the social foot, I think social foot should social foot, I think that will look at social foot, margin top. Okay, 50 pixels, same as the this one. Yeah, so they are leveled now, so I just give you a margin left and add a cursor for every social foot. Okay, this a section on its own. I think I studied them in a span or something. So margin left, since I think they are together or something, they are close. Margin left, let's give it a margin left of 10 pixels and cursor pointer. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me the foot logo or something. The foot logo. So as you can see, there is on. It's something like this. So just make it. Let's start that one. Quick. Yeah, almost done. Don't worry. You can pause it and come back later. Just make sure you finish it. Yeah. Um. Where? Okay. I think foot logo or something. Foot logo. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Foot logo hit 3. Display inline block. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, I think we're good. We're good. So it's kind of similar to that one now. Yeah. Okay, so I think tail footer. Oh, okay. Yeah, my naming convention is bad, man. Forgive me, man. Tail foot. So we just start this one. Yeah, so it consists of two children. So the tail foot is the parents. I think to have a display of flex and yeah. Okay, what's I think tail foot. Forgive me, I display flex or some justify content space around. Hey, sure, it should be space around. So let's see how it looks. Yeah. So we start for every we start this child. We also start this child, the one with the country you are in and the link. Yeah. Okay, let me charge my laptop. It's low battery and I can't afford to. Let me just charge it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's move to the code. Yeah. Okay. It's a list. So I think tail footer ULI display inline block. Hey, my machine. As soon as I plug the charger, I decided not to even use OBS to screen or to record this video, but see, I don't know. You can hear the sound. Okay, it's normal. When I get money, I'll buy a new one. Yeah. So font size, big font size, like 10 pixels. Color gray, color it's gray. Keza also pointer. Yeah. Let's see. I think I think it's okay. Okay, we'll add a margin left. I think I'll add a margin left for the whole container. Okay, margin left 20 pixel. Margin left. Okay, 20 pixel for the whole container. Okay, let's see. And let's see if we could add the hover property. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's add the hover property to change the color. Yo. Okay, it's okay. It's cooling down. My machine is cooling down. Forgive me, yo color. I think color. I think it's yellow green or something. Let's see how it's looking. So on hover, yeah. So it's kind of okay. Yeah. It's kind of okay. So let's start the foot lock or something. So that's the name we give this one. We hand coded the location. You can use JavaScript and the year. Yeah. So let's just start that one. Then I think we are done. Okay. Foot lock. I think. X direction column. Let's see. Yeah, it's column. Yeah, it's column. Yeah. Okay. font size 10 pixels. Color, let's give it the color is, I think, gray or something. Ooh. Let me see. Ew. Think. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Okay. That was the old one. There was a hover property. So let's just add that one. I think. Let's spacing of. Okay. Let me see. Okay. I think first of let's use the first type. First lock spawn. First of type. Yeah. That's the first one. I think it's on the hover property we are adding. Hey, hover machine, calm down, baby, calm down. Color green, yellow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think it's margin bottom, so that's okay. Margin bottom like 5 pixels or something. Okay. Yeah. I think this is it. It's okay now. So yeah, so the links hopefully the links are not working. It's quite similar. This the original version from Spotify, and this is my own version. Yeah, this is my own version. You can't you can add this to your resume. You can just make it responsive. Yeah, the next task, if you are watching this, if you get there, just make sure you make it responsive, then you can add it to your resume if you're a beginner or something. Yeah, but if you also want to refresh your mind on CSS, thanks for taking this tutorial. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button. I appreciate everything. Yeah, at least one day I will get money to buy a good machine. Peace.